Calculating of heart rate is number of heartbeats per minute. Counting depends of paper speed. If the paper speed is 25 mm per second, it means 1500 mm per minute. Also, one large box is 5 mm, so there are 300 large boxes per minute. One small box is 1 mm, so in 1 minute we have 1500 small boxes. The first way of heart rate measurements is count the number of large boxes between R waves and then divide 300 by number of large boxes. When the heart rate is fast or must be measured very accurately, you can modify the approach as follows. Count the number of small boxes between R waves. Divide 1500 by number of small boxes. If the paper speed is 50 mm per second, it means in 1 minute we have 3000 mm. One large box is 5 ml, so we have 600 large boxes in 1 minute. Every small box is 1 mm, so we have 3000 of small boxes in 1 minute. For calculation of heart rate, you need to count the number of large boxes between R waves and divide 600 by number of large boxes. Also, you can count the number of small boxes between R waves and divide 3000 by number of small boxes. Example 1. Paper speed is 25 mm per second. This is the R waves. R distance is 3.5 large boxes. So, according to the formula, heart rate is 85 beats per minute. Let's count the small boxes. R distance equals 17 small boxes, so heart rate is 88 per minute. Example 2. Speed is 50 mm per second. This is RR interval. RR is equal 7 large boxes. According to the formula, heart rate is 85 per minute. If we count the small boxes, heart rate is 85 per minute too. Example 3. This is a universal method for heart rate calculation which is independent from paper speed. You need to calculate RR interval in seconds and use this formula. RR is 0.7 seconds, so heart rate is equal 85 beats per minute.